How to use turmeric for maximum health benefits. Please don't forget to subscribe. Turmeric is a spice used for thousands of years as a natural remedy for many health problems. It's also one of the most potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances on the planet, which makes it great for reducing inflammation and improving your overall health. But how do you use turmeric? Before using it in your cooking or taking supplements, what do you need to know? Let's find out. Start with a minimal amount. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant but can be toxic in higher doses. This makes it essential to start with a minimal amount and work your way up if you feel any side effects. If you're currently taking medication for depression or other mental health issues, it's best not to use turmeric until at least 14 days after stopping it because it may interact with drugs that increase blood flow, like antidepressants. Consider that turmeric is a supplement. Turmeric supplements come in varying doses, so there's no need for complicated math when deciding how much supplement would work best for you. Go by how many pills or teaspoons equal 1 gram, g. The most common doses range between 400 mg per serving and 2 grams daily. Turmeric is also a great spice to add to your diet, but it's not always easy to use. You can't just throw it in with the rest of your meal and expect it to be as effective as taking turmeric powder. Be aware that cooking destroys curcumin. When you cook with turmeric, less of the curcumin will be absorbed by your body, and more will be lost in the cooking process. Eat raw if you want to get the most out of turmeric's health benefits. And if you can't do that for whatever reason, like being too busy, try mixing 1 to 2 teaspoons into your food before cooking or adding it directly after cooking to boost flavor and nutrition. You can also add some fresh turmeric into smoothies after they've blended. Add a tablespoon until desired taste is reached. Eat turmeric with ginger. Turmeric is a powerful herb that can help with inflammation, nausea, and digestion. But it's not just for those who are sick. You should also add turmeric to your diet to boost energy. When used with ginger, or other spices, turmeric becomes even more effective at helping the body absorb nutrients from food. So if you're suffering from low energy levels or feeling under the weather, try this combination. Take 2 teaspoons of raw ground turmeric powder with 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger root powder and mix well until they dissolve. Add fat to your turmeric dish. It's important to add fat to your turmeric dish. Fat helps the turmeric absorb into the body and make it more effective. You can use coconut oil, butter, or ghee to add flavor and boost absorption. Add black pepper to your turmeric dish. Adding black pepper to your dish is a great way to increase the bioavailability of curcumin, which is why many people who take turmeric supplements report increased health benefits. Adding black pepper can be even more beneficial than taking a whole supplement because it also increases the absorption rate of curcumin in your body. You can start enjoying the benefits of turmeric by adding it to your food or taking a supplement, but there are essential steps to take to maximize its effect and absorption in your body. It's essential not to use too much turmeric at once. The natural anti-inflammatory properties of this herb are designed so that they don't build up in your system over time, so don't go overboard. If you're new at using turmeric or haven't used it before, hopefully, we've given you some ideas to take advantage of turmeric's health benefits. While turmeric is best known for its anti-inflammatory properties, it can also help with overall digestion and cardiovascular health. And the amount of curcumin in your diet may be even more important than the amount of fresh turmeric you add. So supplementing may be a good idea if you're looking to make the most of this powerful spice. Please don't forget to subscribe. And the amount of curcumin in your diet may be even more important than the amount of fresh turmeric you add. So supplementing may be a good idea if you're looking to make the most of this powerful spice. Please don't forget to subscribe.